Hello friends, I am Abdul Ghani. Welcomes you on my channel Crypto Exchange. In this video, we will discuss the very important terms used in cryptocurrency is the blockchain. What is blockchain and what is the block? Block is the main thing which is used in the blockchain technology. Block, one block, two block, three block, five blocks. The blocks are stored in a way that a sequential and linear structure is formed, that's called the blockchain. Blockchain is nothing but the collection of block, how they store the informations in it and what are the next and what is the previous. So they contain a chain of block, that's why it's called blockchain. As we know, the data is stored in the previous, as we know in previous, the filed papers is stored in a storeroom. They store some kind of informations in it, but as we know, it is the time of digital data storage is very high. Clouding, computers, server, decentralized server, centralized server. So it is inspired from that, the concept of blockchain is evolved, and in the future you will see how important this will play in the marketing and info data storage in the form of blockchain. But as we are in dealing with cryptocurrency, so it is very necessary for us, we should understand what is the blockchain, how it store the data. As we know, blockchain store information is batches called blocks. If someone wants to some kind of transaction, if someone want to transfer some bitcoins from one place to other, so this transaction is stored in a form of blocks. Okay, if someone want to send the informations from this as a sender and want to send some kind of bitcoin, then this sender and the receiver, the transaction between sender and receiver is stored in the block. There are three main things which is stored in black. One is the data, the how much, what types of transaction is actually occurred, and the hash code. Hash code is nothing but a some programmatical, arithmetical, logical hexadecimal code from which you can track the transaction. And the third one is the hash of previous block. The hash code is nothing but a complete or successful transaction. When occurs, there is a hash code generated which indicate a particular transaction. In the blockchain or in the Etherscan or on Binance Scan, you can see that there is a hash code. Hash code is nothing but the number at which the transaction is executed, and the third one, which is more important in the block, is the hash of previous code. If you see on the BSC scan, you can see this is the transaction hash, which indicate that some kind of transaction is occurred 30 seconds ago. In this transaction, you can see that from and to, someone is sending and someone is receiving. Then this hash code is actually storing the information which is occurred in the block, and you can see that there is a block named this. You can see there is a blockchain called the Binance Smart Chain, where you can see all the transaction which is linked to another specific token, from where you can search the transaction hash code and the informations in that, from and to, how much quantity they have. So you can easily say that there is a number of blocks involved, and which connect by each one from their hash code. If you see in this diagram, there is a hash of previous block, data, and the hash of that particular transaction. Data can be the bitcoins from frat to jack, hash is 1 to a, and the previous. So you can say these all blocks are connected with each other by their hash codes and their previous hash code. In this manner they continuously connecting with either, and in this way they contain a chain of blocks. That's why we call this technology as blockchain. So in the next video we will discuss some more important facts about the blockchain. So in this video we thanks you for this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Jai Hind.